Take a moment to check out the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this superlative Land Rover Range Rover, the ultimate in luxury performance vehicles. Sophisticated, modern, and endowed with legendary off-road capability, it simply takes your breath away. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, sun moonroof, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.